welcome to my channel and Facebook page Arabic with me, Rana. So let's start this video with a new expression or sentence or idiom or whatever. In this case, we have like a sentence which means in English, we would say kick someone out, to kick someone out of somewhere. We will start with the spoken because the spoken has so many words in it, and of course we have just one in the standard. So let's start by the spoken one, and we have the first one, and I will use it with هو in the past tense. So he kicked someone out. So let's see what does it mean. The first one, number one, we say هو كعر 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 كعر. So it has the a sound. كعر كعر هو كعر. He kicked someone out. The someone would go at the end of the sentence. So هو كعر رنا. هو كعر رنا. He kicked Rana out. So it would be هو كعر رنا. هو كعر رنا. Now, this is the first one. كعر كعر. Let's conjugate it. Let's conjugate it in the present tense, and let's then conjugate it like really quick, really fast in the past tense. In the present tense, it would be أنا بكعر. أنا بكعر. هو بيكعر. هي بتكعر. هن بيكعروا. And then نحن بنكعر. أنت بتكعر. أنت بتكعري. أنتوا بتكعروا. This is what it means. Now, let's go to the past tense. So, it would be أنا كعرت. أنا كعرت. أنت كعرت. أنتي كعرتي. أنتوا كعرتوا. هو كعر. هي كعرت. هن كعروا. نحن كعرنا. So this is in the past tense. Let's see it in the imperative way, commanding verbs. كعار. كعار. أنت كعار. أنتي كعري. أنتوا كعروا. That's it. So now these are the conjugations in the past, present, and imperative. Now let's see the second way of saying kick someone out. It would be صغر. صغر. So it comes from صغير, and صغير in the standard Arabic or صغير, it means small. Like you will make someone really feel so small, like an insect when you kick them out. This is why it comes from that. So you would say هو صغر. هو صغر. هو صغر. So for example, you would say هو صغر رنا. He kicked Rana out. Oh my god, that's really sad. So هو صغر رنا. So let's conjugate it also really fast. So it would be in the present tense أنا بصغر. هو بيصغر. هي بتصغر. هن بيصغروا. نحن بنصغر. أنت بتصغر. أنت بتصغري. أنتوا بتصغروا. The past tense it would be أنا صغرت. أنت صغرت. أنت صغرتي. أنتوا صغرتوا. نحن صغرنا. And هو صغر. هي صغرت. And هن صغروا. This is in the past tense. Let's see what is the imperative. Imperative it would be صغار. أنت صغار. أنت صغري. أنتوا صغروا. And this is in the imperative. Third one, for truly to get rid of someone. Get rid of someone. Getting rid of someone, it would be in the spoken Arabic. صفر. صفر. صفر in the, like, if we are going to really think about it, logically, it would be like to make someone travel. So to make someone travel, it is to get rid of them. So it would be هو صفر. هو صفر. Let's have it in the present tense. أنا بسفر. هو بيسفر. هي بتسفر. نحنا بنسفر, etc. In the past tense, it's هو سفر. هي سفرت. نحنا سفرنا. أنتوا سفرتوا. So for example, you would say هو سفر رنا. هو سفر رنا. It might mean, actually it's according to the context, that he is the one who made Rana travel, and it also means like to get rid of Rana. So it's according to the context, of course. You will know if someone kicked me off or got rid of me or he just made me travel. So you will know from the context for sure. And let's see what is it in the Standard Arabic. In the standard Arabic, it would be هو طرد 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 هو طرد. So this is it in the standard, and it means to kick someone out of somewhere. هو طرد. So this is it, and this is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, do not forget to share it with your friends and family and all people who are learning the Arabic language, maybe learning the English language, I'm not sure. And don't forget, if you like it, to hit the like button, and again, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. And do not forget to go to my YouTube channel to check the lessons, educational videos I have there for the standard and spoken Arabic. So love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye bye.